Sa ating PBA Friday doubleheader mula sa Cuneta Astrodome, Migo Halili kasama si Jason Webb, Agu Marjan, and Peaches Abirin with just a minute and 18 to go here in the fourth and final quarter.
This is the point sharing comparison at nananalo itong Pure Foods pag si James Yap ang gumagawa ng puntos, but that is not what is happening today. It looks like more of yung bar natin. Parang pareho siya dun sa huling mga talo ng Pure Foods. And the bad sign for that is that James Yap is on the bench and he seems to be nursing some sort of injury as he's not on the court right now, along with Peter Jun Simon.
On the floor right now para sa Talking Tex, Alapag, Big, Leather, Ritualo, and Cardona. Home Piles holding on to a 3-point lead.
Nico, lots of time for Talking Tex. Need a good shot.
Oh, it's a steal. And here's Roger Yap on the move, and he is fouled. And well, Ritualo had to give up the foul. And Ritualo telling Roger, Roger, it's me.
It's me again.
Huwag ka na magalit. It's just me. Here's that steal.
A big block mula dito kay Chico Lanete. Good thing is, after the block, they attacked right away, not allowing itong Talking Tex to set up their defense. And Rendren Ritualo forced to foul.
Just a 2-point game. And you know what Ryan Gregorio is telling his players. Sometimes it's not just about X's and O's. At ito, Roger Yap, big free throw coming up. 8 points in the game for Roger Yap. 1-point ball game with under a minute to play here in the fourth quarter. Leather outside. Ritualo for three. In and out. Ralibi with a rebound. And Pure Foods can go for the go-ahead basket here. Here's Evangelista. And timeout called here by Pure Foods. Remember, you're doing this without James Yap and without Peter Jun Simon on the floor.
You know, coming into the final 2 minutes, Talking Tex had a 7-point lead. And all of a sudden, nabura yung 7 puntong kalamangan na yun. A couple of big stops for Pure Foods. And now they have an opportunity to take back the lead mula sa Talking Tex.
What? Down screen. Hand off. Chico. Kirby. Come on, Kirby. All right. Get her to foul. Get them to foul us. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, team.
Yeah, Amigo, the last thing that he said there was get them to foul us. Talking Tex has a penchant for fouling. They're actually the #1 team when it comes to fouling the opponents. At ito, bumalik na si James Yap. Nakita ko siya kanina, Miko, nilagyan ng bendahe yung kanyang hita. And now he's back again.
Both teams are in the penalty. May isang timeout ang dalawang kupunan. Cardona and Roger Yap going at it before the play starts. Here we go. One of them Pure Foods, they're down by 1. James Yap back on the court. Lanete has played well here. Para sa Pure Foods, they go to Raimundo. Herbie Raimundo against Terrence Leather. 6 to shoot. Raimundo makes his move. Fall away, tough shot. One of the hoodie, James Yap for the lead. Yes, sir! King James with another big shot para sa Pure Foods. Here's Kirby Raimundo making his move. Fall away shot, tough shot, but there's James Yap coming out of nowhere. One-hander for the lead. Yes, sir! Lamang ang Pure Foods 101-100 with 24 seconds remaining here in the fourth quarter.